Okay, who is ready for fall fashion?
I love fall fashion. It's one of my favorite seasons to dress up. Jordan Deschambre joins us this morning with all the hot looks that will keep you warm, and you can get them for less.
Absolutely. There's no reason to spend more when you can spend less.
It is the only way to do it, yes.
And let's get straight to it with coat vests.
Coat vests,
That just
yeah.
sounds, I don't know,
Interesting, right?
oxymoron.
Yeah, you know, but the great thing about a coat vest is when you have weather like we have today,
Right.
where it's in the 50s and 60s, it's a little cool, but you just need another layer. And you want to be able to throw it on, you know, just a simple piece over the top.
Right.
The coat vest is absolutely the way to do it.
That is chic.
Oh, that is chic. You wore one at the other
Yes,
I
the
did.
last
I
time you
wore
were
one the
here.
last time
Yeah.
that I was here. And I recall when I bought it, I thought, I'm not 100% sure when I'm going to wear this or how I'm going to wear it. And now it is my go-to piece. And the best tip that
It
I
is
can
the perfect cover-up.
give with the coat vest is keep it simple underneath. A
Yes.
simple pair of jeans, a pair of leggings, just a long sleeve t-shirt, something like that. And really let that be the standout piece.
Okay, so for $80, I mean, not bad.
It's not bad. It's not bad at all. And really, they're available at a lot of places right now. And you might even be able to get it for less than that. But I think this is a trend that's going to stay for a while. So I say make a little investment in this one.
Oh, yeah.
I like that a lot. All right, and what is next? We have
Button front skirt.
Button front skirt. So this, you know, you probably remember this from like the
I
60s. This was such a huge look at the time. And now it's become this really great hipster statement.
Yeah.
But so fun. Just a new way to try a skirt for fall. You know, I think we try to just change up lengths and change up whether it's voluminous or it's a little more tight-fitting. But here's something where we're actually putting more of an applique on a skirt and doing something new with it.
You know what? I'm going to follow the rule that if you did it once, you shouldn't do it again. I'm going to set that one out.
Oh, then you
Yeah.
will never do another trend again in your life.
That's
because
not what I'm saying. I
everything's
said I'm going to set that one
cycle.
out. I'm going to set that one out. But that we did it for us. I love this, and it's a trend, but it's also a color.
Oh my gosh, the color gray. You
Oh my
can't
God, I
do
love gray.
any better than the color gray because it works as a great neutral.
Yes.
When you don't want to do black, you don't want to do white,
I'm wearing
maybe
gray
you don't
shoes
want to do
today, as a
taupe.
matter of
Right,
fact.
I mean,
Yeah,
between the
black,
three of us,
yeah.
we all have something gray on
Yes,
right
we do,
now.
right.
It mix and matches with tons of colors.
I love
Pretty
gray.
much every color under the rainbow you can use with gray. So this season, when you're looking for some statement pieces to buy, instead of going for the black or the white for your coat or your accessories, try gray. Yeah, it's such a fun thing. And you know, Boston Store, $60, you know, really simple look. And again, layer it up. You could throw a sweater or a vest coat over that and you would be ready to go.
Right.
Or pair it with a button front skirt.
I have a big question about this
Yeah.
because I don't know if it's age appropriate for certain people. Knee socks.
Knee socks, you know, I do think that there
set
is
that
a
one out, too.
certain cutoff date with
Thank
knee
you.
socks. But I really think it depends on your personal style.
And your legs.
And your legs.
And your legs.
I mean,
Yeah.
let's be real. And your legs, too. But I think you can, if you wear boots with your knee socks, you can make this last a lot longer, you know, as we age. If you're doing it by themselves and more of a schoolgirl look, that's a little bit more tricky once you start, you know, getting into your 40s. But I think absolutely, if you can make it work with boots, why not try it? Now, a great tip for people who do want to try knee socks, who are, you know, aging a little bit or they don't love their legs as much as they used to, wear a pair of opaque tights underneath. Then layer with a knee sock and then do a boot.
No, we're not talking leg warmers. We're talking.
No, we're
knee socks.
talking knee socks.
There's a
knee
difference.
socks.
All right, let's get to this last one. I love
Yeah.
this one, shearling.
Shearling.
Yes.
Oh, I'm all about
yeah.
shearling.
Yes.
You know, and it's one of those looks that comes on real strong for a season, then we won't see it for a while, then it comes back. But it's such a great unisex look. Men look great in shearling, women look great in shearling, and this year we're seeing it in capes and we're seeing it in shawls and on handbags, on boots. So there's a lot of different ways to rock shearling. And I just think it's such a fun look, so easy to do, and so warm and comfortable.
I was just about to say, it's warm outside now, but it's one of
Oh
the
my
warmest
gosh.
things you can wear.
Absolutely.
I remember I had a jacket like that.
Did you really? I mean, pairing it with denim is the
H&M.
perfect fabric for right now until we get into like it's into the lower temperatures because
Right.
it's not that heavy.
Right.
Yeah.
Awesome. Always a pleasure, Jordan. Now you can be fierce and it won't bust your bank account. All right, we're going to take a short break. We'll be right back.